Thank you for joining me today at Catchdemyo, the career pathfinder that introduces you to all vocational training. That is the Ausbildung that has been done in Germany. Still on construction, architecture, and surveying. This is the 18th career path under the first area of specialization. So videos 1 to 17 has been done. If you want to know all the career path, the area of specialization you can go into if you want to go into profession in finishing. When we talk about construction, architecture, and surveying, then I encourage you to watch videos 1 to 17. You have a lot of options now you can choose. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, we say a big thank you. And in this 18th video, that is the 18th career path. The career path is Rollading on Sonnenschutz Mechatronicary. That is a roller shutter on sun protection mechatronics technician. The duration is 3 years, and the type of training is a Berufsfachschule Beruf. That's a vocational school occupation. What do they do? What's their job description? They install sun protection systems and gate systems and rolling grillers, and they select the materials and parts and process them, transport them to the customer and assemble them there. They insulate metals, plastic, wood, glass, and textiles with machines and equipment, and they also carry out and install controls and safety devices. To ensure that everything is working perfectly, they carry out functional tests and carry out maintenance and repair work. Where do they find employment? They find employment in roller shutter and sun protection mechatronics companies that trade with sun protection of houses, of companies, and the technicians that trade manufacturers of metal, wood, or plastic roller shutters and gates. They find employment there. Do you need a certificate? You need your Abschluss or your Hochschulreife or Mittelbildungsabschluss. And if you don't have a certificate as well, you can go into this career path. So if you have your secondary school diploma, your university qualification, intermediate education qualification, you can as well go into this career path. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. And don't forget, don't give up on your career, because only you can stop you. The 19th career path under the first area of specialization is the Steinmetzen und Stein Bildhauerei. That is profession in stonemason and stone sculptor. The first area of specialization is Fachrichtung Steinbildhauerarbeiten. That's a specialty as a stone sculpture. The duration is 3 years, and the type of training is a Berufsfachschule Beruf. It's a vocational school occupation. What do? They design stones and sculptures. The appropriate material they select, for example, garden sculpture that in frites, decorated with ornaments, or a high quality stone staircase. They make sketches, transfer the dimension of their models to scale, and they carry out fine work with hand-operated machines such as cut-off machines, chisels, hammers, clubs. They create structure surfaces by hewing the stones or polished surfaces, and they carve writings and ornaments into the stone. If necessary, they assemble the finished products on site. And in the area of monument care, they check the condition of sculptures, they clean them, they make additions if necessary, and preserve the surfaces of sculptures. Where do they find employment? They find employment in stone carving, artificial stone business restoration companies, or historical buildings, or stone museums, stone monuments in museum workshops. That is where they find employment. So if you're interested in museum or the stone carving or the monuments work, where figures are being created out of stones, or carvings are being made out of stones, and they are being used to design the city, or they are the monuments in the museum is being preserved. This is a career you want to look into. Do you need a certificate? You can either have your Abschluss, your Realschulabschluss, or Hochschulreife Mittelbildungsabschluss. And if you 1% without a certificate, is being admitted into this career path. That is your secondary school diploma, your university qualification, your intermediate educational qualification. If you need further information, don't forget, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The second area of specialization is a Fachrichtung and that's a specialization stone masonry. The duration is 3 years as well, and it's a Berufsfachschule. It's a vocational school occupation. What do? They produce sketches and digital stonemasonry specialists. They advise their customers about design options for construction, and they also do facade cladding. They use facade cladding machines such as cut-off grinders or circular saws by the hand with clubs and mines with CNC machines. They carry out many operations with handheld devices. They organize the transport of finished products to the installation sites and lay floors panels. They install worktops or stairs, and they place gravestones. They are also into monument preservation. They check the condition of historical stone substances and remove dirt. They also preserve and replace surfaces that are being that is not in a good condition. Where do they find employment? They find employment in natural stone processing companies, natural stone, and they also work in tombstones workshops, restoration companies for historical buildings and stone monuments as well. So do you need a certificate? Yes. If you don't have, you're as well admitted. But if you have your Abschluss or your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife Mittelbildungsabschluss, you can go into this career path. That is your secondary school diploma, your university qualification, and intermediate education qualification. If you need further information on how to proceed, don't forget we are here for you. Don't give up on your careers. Only you can stop you.